Hi friends, you can see here a small lake, children. So number of beautiful cranes you can see here. So the cranes are completely in the pond, children. You can observe that all cranes are there. There, if you observe clearly, white cranes are there. Generally, these cranes they have long feet and they grow 85 centimeter to 176 centimeter larger in height. So cranes really, they are really, because having of their long legs for hunting and fishing, for them it helps very easily. So you can see the cranes, children, and the pond, children. If I go near, they'll fly away. That's why I'm not going near, children. You can see here a small lake is there. In Japan, crane is treated as the holy creature for them. So they worship the crane, children. So Japan country. Okay.